Hello guys, and today I'm going to be testing out the slime that I bought. Like I said, sorry that I did not do it on Friday because we left Friday to go to St. Louis. So yeah, I bought these headbands. I love this one because it has like this design right there. It's gonna be my favorite. I got a slime from my friend Friday. Oh my god, this one's like freaking 20 pounds, but it's 3 pounds. 3 different colors, pink, blue, purple, light lavender purple, and then this is dark purple, which this was supposed to be pink, but it's not, so yeah. First, we're gonna test out this one. Okay. Add this in there. Okay. These came like this, so don't think I opened it because I didn't. The thing I hate about this is that, okay, first one we're going to test out is this lavender. Ooh, this one's so good. What? Thank you! Thank you! Get a snack, guys. Thank you! It looks darker than in real life. It's so this tight. Okay, there we go. Just man said it was super hard to get out the container, but it's not. Mine came like a really good texture. I really like this texture. It's like thick. It's from Nickelodeon, or Crazy Hour, I mean. This is my first time testing out Nickelodeon slimes, or I meant Crazy Hour slimes. I think I really like it so far. We're not going to mix it because it's just like stupid. Sorry guys. Next we are going to test out teal one. I do not want that to turn into the... Okay, so the middle one is super hard to get out. It's like tight. This is like the best store-bought slime ever because like glossy, like shimmery and stuff. It's like not stretchy. Well, at least this one's not stretchy. I wonder if it's scented. It just says 3 colors in one. It says Crazy Art and Nickelodeon slime. Bye. Okay.
Come on real quick!
And I will be doing the next video after testing out these slimes. Next video will be, well, in this video I will be fixing these slimes too. So it will be probably about like a 30-minute video. I want it to be a 30-minute video.
She said hello. I love you. Hello. Hello.
And it's like thick, but I don't like the texture on this one, so I want to mix these. Like, they need to make these a bit smaller. I wonder if the pink one is scented like strawberry. Okay, this one's like this one's thinner, but at the same time not very crunchy. And I don't have hair gel. I just have water and lotion and stuff like that.
What?
And it is clear. You can tell, like, just when I said it was like transparent, but it's not. It's straight up clear.
Mom, where's the key?
So it's not as thick as the purple number one. This one's my favorite so far.
I'm gonna put the pad on. Uh-oh.
So we're gonna try it. That's the swirl. I know you guys love the swirls. Okay, what I just noticed is that when you first take it out and play with it, it's thin, right? But when you like start playing with it longer, it gets harder, like gets thicker, not harder, like thicker. But I really like this because it's a hot pink. I bet when my cousin comes over, this will be her favorite because it's hot pink. But I feel like this one's gonna be red better because it's crazier, but I don't know, it's probably gonna be worse. I don't know. So far, I think this pink one is my favorite. So yeah, this pink one is my favorite. As you can tell, I've been playing with it for like a while. It's not as rippy. Yes, when I squeeze it, like it'll like rip on me, but not as much as the blue and the purple. And the pink one's a way fuller, and they're the same. So yeah. This one's like super heavy. I love the colors, it's unicorn colors. So yeah. Next we're gonna test this crazy purple slime. I wanna smell this pink one. It smells like strawberries. Smell this one. It doesn't smell like anything. Smell this one. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh yeah, and guys, these are the new colors that just came out. So yeah, the other colors were like pink and orange and stuff like that. Like, okay, so this one's like a warmer and harder. Oh my god. So like, the thing I love about this, like, I don't know what I love about it, because it's like so thick and like rippable. I don't like anything about it except the glossiness of it. Look, yes, it like rips and I squeeze it, but it comes back together. So like, it's like a super thick slime. So if you guys like thick like slimes like this, I really recommend this slime. But if you don't, then I recommend it. But like, fix it, like you might want to fix it. So first thing, we're gonna fix on this slime. And I don't know what we're gonna get, but we're just gonna go grab some scissors and measure. I'm going to take it out of this container. And you guys tell I'm not lying. I ordered all this stuff. Does this one have it on it? No, but I did order that one. And then I bought these ones. But I basically ordered it for my friend, but I bought all of these with my money. This is a disclaimer. Okay, guys. I didn't get them for free. I have my own money to pay for it. I wish I got them for free. Did you hear the slime? But so as I'm mixing this, it seems like I would rather like scrunch it up. I mean, it feels like it's getting better, but not like, it's like getting thinner, not like stretchier. So, like, you know, to get stretchier. It smells like mint. I don't know. And it got lighter, which I like actually. I don't know if I like this texture yet. So, but, okay, so it doesn't rip as much. We are going to go get water now. Yes, it's my good little, but that's fine. I don't know. Miranda, sometime. So, I don't know why I said it, but it's so good. So it feels a little tiny bit less thick. Since it's not really like better. Like, yes, it doesn't rip as much, but it needs to be thinner and better. Like real slime. Like just Maria said. Ouch! I got boiling hot water and I just burned my, as you can tell, it's pretty hot. Like, my hot fingers just warmed this up. So what I'm gonna do is just fill this up with hot water, like about half, not even half, because I don't want to make a mess. Go get a bowl. Get a bowl. You don't overdo the water route, so yeah. Get a bowl and just dump it in there. And you want to mix it in. Wow. Yeah. I'm sorry you guys can't see it, but you guys can see in the bowl moving around, can't y'all? And you guys can see me stretching it. This water is just gonna help it like get thinner and stretchier. So I hope so. Let's make less slime by taking it in the water for some reason. What the heck? Well, it is just not as much as real slime does. It's taking longer to mix in. Yeah. Okay. It feels like a better, but I don't know. Then. Kind of a bit better, just not all the ways. So we will be adding more. This is burning hot, yeah. Oh my god, like still burning hot. Like. Ah, that's so good. One more. It's so good. I need burning hot. Right now I'm just squeezing it, mixing it. This one is mixing it in better than last time. It was like, I don't know why, but I just said cause like, I'm going to be giving my friend some of my slimes because I told her there were 5 of them. I think that bit, like 1 full cup of water fixed it, I think so. Did it fix it, guys? I feel like it can be stretchier than what it is. Like, let's just take it out and see what we think about it. It's like, it still rips. Like, what? Why does it rip? Like, what does it need to make it stop ripping? Like, and this is like way better though. We're gonna add the rest of the water, not that much. And we just need probably twice of that amount of slime we had. So it's like jiggly, and I hope it's not like a jiggly slime. I would like how it was. But if it is, I'm still gonna take from it. At least it'll be better than it was. I already feel it getting like jiggliness. I don't know, melting, whatever it's called. But it's half of it. It's already like another whole thing of it. Like, what did I do? Okay. I fixed it, guys. I made it the double amount of it already was. I'll show you guys in a second. I bet I did. Or I probably didn't, but I never know. Okay. As you can tell, it's a way. Guys, I got another slime. Oh my god. It's an iceberg slime. Let me go get it. Wait. Oh my god, I made it. Okay, what the heck did I do? I did something wrong, guys. I'll show you all that I did it today. Just Mary does it too, so don't worry, guys. I'm the only person now. And my thing is just overflowing, so let's just fix it up. Thank you. So this is how much it usually came in right there. So I probably need another one of it, so. But probably didn't, probably like half of it. yeah, I made half of it. And I need half, like an 8 ounce, maybe. I can do a slime smoothie, or I can just give this piece to my friend. Or I can just fill this up more. It's a little bit jiggly. I'll fill it up a tiny bit more. Not that much. And I send it off. Like, look, I filled it all the way up. I'm not going to use Oregon because it made it nice jiggly, so yeah. You're just going to place this one into there. Dang, I made a cup of it, a half of a cup of it, so let's go back. Here. It's an iceberg, guys. Oh my god. Ew. Why does it feel like that? What the heck? Ew. Why does it feel wet? What the heck? What happened to this thing? And that's why I said. We're gonna put some real slime in it now. This looks like the good slime. Like, oh my god, what just happened? Still red slime and regular slime. It's not mixed together. What is that? What the heck? I guess we're gonna have to use all this, like, what? Oh, maybe that's my friend. I did anything. Yes, I did. I'm about to turn it into but it's okay if it does. It's already at 25 minutes. I haven't even tried to fix the other one. Hi, Nola. Hi, come here. Come here. Oh. Okay, so this does feel like roast for now. Then of the way. I'm still putty now, but it's gonna be an iceberg again. So, yeah. Now these ones are just going to stay like this. They're not getting fixed. Because I like these ones, so yeah. These ones, my friend gave me. And this is a full foam slime. It's super crunchy and super good. I love everything about this slime. Like, here we go. No. The only problem is that it kind of leaves like a water residue. Yeah. But anything else is the best. And you're taking some from me. I'm doing a tiny slime smoothie. not with the brown slime, brown metallic, which is hard as ever, so I'm not going to show you. I have been trying to make it make it melted. So it's probably just going to turn out blue purple. And surprise, this isn't water, like wastewater residue. It doesn't. It's super. I love this one. Okay, so we're about to get about that much. Got this super sticky one. I really hope this doesn't. Oh my god. Okay. There's that one. And the best one is my favorite. I love this one. Did I do about that much? No, about that much. Right? I think so. We're gonna do a tiny bit more, but I don't know. And then this blue one, about that much. Okay, we're gonna see yes. I'm just trying to even things out, but I don't know. That much. Right. And then right there. I can tell this one's darker than this purple one. So we got a lot of purples. Probably going to be purple. So let's, I don't know what to do with it. So we're just going to roll it up. Oh my god, look. So this will be like a little bit of crunchy slime. Crunchy. How these. And this turns out, I bet this will turn out really, really pretty purple. Cause like, I don't know what type of purple, but it's gonna be a foam, tiny foam, like not lots of foam, but tiny. It's gonna say unicorn food or something. I don't know. It is with this slime, some slime on my center. Comment down below. Give me some names like Fruity Pebbles. This will be on my fun shop. It looks like a same. But guys, remember, this was the same color as this, but this is got lighter because of the condition. So I'm keeping it like this, and not really because I like this one, and my phone be the color. So. I feel like this one and those one, like, let's see. Like, I wonder what it will do. I think we'll run out of slime, so. I love this one though. Okay. This is jiggly. So this is a super purple. It's named Unicorn Poo. And then let's see if it's outside. Not really. More like strawberries. So yeah, it's gonna be named Unicorn Poo because it has the purple. So yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the nice bird. So this is the white one of the slime smoothie, which was that one that felt like gooiness, which is about to be an iceberg and a good iceberg. This one does kind of leave some, still does leave this some, but it's okay. This one's about like a 4 ounce, we were gonna say. Yeah, that's a 4 ounce. This is a 8 ounce, you think? A 16 ounce. Let's see. 64 ounce. I was right. This one, 16 ounce. Past is 16, but yeah. We're gonna say 16 or 17 ounce. This one's like, no, because that's not from Fender. This is like a 32 ounce. Yeah, this is a 32 ounce. Right? Yeah. Okay. This is 32 ounce. We're about to see which size these are. First, this one. Come on. Let's do. Hey, come on. Okay. These are 16. This is a 16 ounce. It was an 18 ounce. Remember, guys, but I took a piece. Okay. So that's probably the same size as all of them. So they're the same size as this. This one I could give to my friend. But I'm not going to my dad push it closer. So yeah, guys, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please like it and subscribe to it. And yeah, I might be doing another video today. I don't know. If you guys want me to comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and so you guys will be notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, guys, peace out.